Shouting in my car has stalled outside. It's pure coincidence, I'm sure. Falling from my mouth, secondary downside. Found myself here, can't seem to look you in the eye. And I hope you can see I'm more than this heap at your feet. Who are you to judge me? Yeah, who are you to pray? Controllers slipped away from me again. How heavy are these words? They're heavier than air that rushes to my head as you turn to walk away again. How heavy are my hands? They're heavier than blood that rushes to my head as you turn to walk away again. Forcing you to speak, snapping out my voice seems smaller now. It's only whispering my life. Paper cuts and time. I insist you keep these letters here and read them over if you can. And I hope you can see I'm more than this heap at your feet. Who are you to judge me? Yeah, who are you to pray? Controllers slipped away from me again. How heavy are these words? They're heavier than air that rushes to my head as you turn to walk away again. How heavy are my hands? They're heavier than blood that rushes to my head as you turn to walk away again. How heavy are these words? They're heavier than air that rushes to my head as you turn to walk away again. How heavy are these words? They're heavier than time that rushes to my head as you turn to walk away again.